Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. So I can learn how to love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I will show you the nursery of my future, of my baby. Actually, it's not out yet, still in my tummy. Yes, so this is my baby's nursery, my baby boy's nursery. So I will show you. It's just like a simple boy nursery. So yan guys. So okay, so let's start. Ayan, as you can see, as you enter, so nandito yung crib niya. So this is his crib. So this is from it's a white crib. So I just bought this in the marketplace, and then it's the mattress is included as well. And then this one, I bought this from IKEA. So itong deer is from IKEA. So I have here a monitor. Yeah, so I have a baby monitor just in case. So I can see what's going on with the baby. The camera. This is my monitor. Yeah. So it's really good. And then, as you can see in the crib, so meron siyang, so parang siyang sleep, parang bed, like protector or something. So ganito siya guys, like portable bed, something like that. So we have a portable bed here, bigay sa akin ng, given by my mother-in-law. So this is the changing table. So the cover I bought is, so this is just an old one from my stepdaughter. So ginamit namin ulit, and this is the cover. So I bought this from Kmart. Changing table guys. So underneath is my nappies, and then the wipes, and daming wipes. This one is nappy bags. So yan, that's wipes as well. And over there is the wash, the lotion, body wash, baby bath, and then powder. And what else do I have here? Nappy rash, nappy cream. Yan. And then what else do I have here? So just in case nursing the baby, so meron din, I have here nursing pads, and this is my storage milk bags, milk storage bags. So I haven't used it, so I put it here because I don't know where to store. And I have there a pump, and then that's the like storage, just in case it like a travel bag for the milk bottle. So I didn't open yet because I will use that if the baby is already up here. So I put some like wall decor here. So we have here the baby's ultrasound. Yeah, and the giveaways from my baby shower, and I just bought this from Kmart, and that one was gifted to me. So yeah, that's cute. There's no pictures yet because it's from 1 month to 12 months. And this one is the nursing chair. So it's moving back and forth. It's a rocking chair, and you can swivel it Yan. So, just in case you have to grab something from there, like snacks. So I'll put some snacks here, there, or somewhere there at the back. Or a table. Don't know yet, but yeah, and it has like, meron din siyang, I put my water bottle here. And yeah, some snacks on the side. It has a compartment at the side. And then this one I bought from IKEA, this bamboo plant. It's like, it's a full bamboo plant. And this one, it's too small, but I don't really mind. I bought this like basket. I thought it's just like right size, but still a little smaller. But it's okay. Still looks nice. And this Tommy TP bin gifted to me for my baby shower. She's really good. And on this corner, so this is the drawer where the baby's clothes are. So the top one is they are all newborn. So these are all the jumpers. So this one is cover for breastfeeding. Yeah, so just put it here just in case I need it, because the rest are in my hospital bag. So it's not much in here for now. So this one is like a suit. Yeah, parang just so cute na walang lower. And this one socks, this one bibs. Yan. This one is the top singlet. Put the singlet here. And the second one are all the biggest sizes. So from 0 to 3 months up, because it's not much anyway. So I just put it here. Same thing. This is the jumper, the suit, parang onesies. So what I like about this one with the buns, I really like the buns because I don't have to buy any socks because it has already like built in. Tsaka, including this one as well. Mittens. So I don't really like to have mittens because it's better to have it's like nandun na sa, it's already there in the clothes. Built in na siya. And the beanies, ito yung mga cute beanies. Yan. So same rin. Mga jumpsuit. Yan. And the pants. How cute is that? We need a poo. Yan. So dito ko siya nilagay. And then on the third level, these are all the nappies. So I have 2 here, 1 in the hospital bag, and meron pa lang wipes here. So just put it somewhere there. I'll just put it here. And then on the 4th lower, so I just put all the fleece here, the blankets. I already washed them, guys. I already washed everything in here, so it's ready to go. So these are all gifted to me as well. And in the bottom are all the towels. And this is burp towel, burp, and ano siya, you can use as bib as well. And I have here some this is a Love to Dream swaddle. So I bought this. I have a hole that I bought this from Baby Buntings. It's kind of expensive, but I will try that one. So towel, nandito rin mga face towel, and the mattress cover or my bassinets cover, it's over there. Yan. And then on the top, I have here collect the letters. The big letter, it's on the back. So all the cards, the greeting cards from the baby shower. Okay, so this is the card from work. So ito yung people from work. Yung mga dedication nila, guys. Yeah, that's so sweet. Most of them are these toys from my baby shower and from work. So I put it here as a remembrance. So yung mga cards, and this is the where I put the nail trimmer. So I prefer this one because hindi ka mag-alala na maano mo yung baby, yung maano mo yung kanyang fingers. So this is very safe. Yeah, and this is for newborn. So as the color goes darker, I think it depends on the months. Yeah, so this one is for newborn, so it's not really that harm for the baby. Yeah, and I have here some pacifier. So I don't know, I have a pacifier holder here. So this is one I got from Bib, so I still have to sanitize this. And this is from Advent ata. Yeah. So I like this kasi may ano siya, case. I still have to sanitize as well. So ito yung picture ni baby na 3D, which is so cute. And these are the toys. So yan. These are the toys for him. And this is so cute. Footy. One. Oops. And then meron yung xylophone. And this is given to me by the manager. And my Winnie the Pooh. And this one, that one that merong sounds. Peekaboo. And foodie bowl. And then meron din akong snacks here na, not really snacks, but jelly beans, just in case pag I'm doing the breastfeeding. Yeah, this is the monitor. This was also given to me from my mother-in-law, from a friend. So yan, lights, pero dim lang siya, so which is good at night time, just in case the baby cries. So I just turn that on, so I don't have to turn on the main, because yung main light is too bright. So this one is ano din to, second hand. So on this corner, I put all the it's like a hanging a wooden thing. I don't know how to describe, but it's just like a wooden that you can hang your stuff, like muslin wraps or swaddle. So nilagyan ko din siya. Just put here the hawthorn as well. This was gifted to me, so I was really like, this is so cute. So I just put it here as a decoration. So yeah, and I have here my Mamaru. So I don't know if I put it here, but I might put it in the lounge area, because sometimes if I want to do something, so nandiyan lang siya, just like bounce ng si baby. And this carpet is from IKEA as well, so I only put on that corner. Yan, it's really small, so dyan lang siya. I'll just put it there. And the ones in the bottom is like a portable cut, so we can just bring that if we go to Wallaroo. So yeah, that's it, guys. The curtain pala. So the curtain, I think it was gifted from my, I don't know, mother-in-law. So since it's like blue, so it matches the room, which is really cool. So yeah, this is the room. And guys, so this is the room. Actually, it's just simple, but yeah, I don't want too many things in here, so yeah, I just really like it. It's so simple and it's functional. So yeah, I'm happy. So I'm just like ready for the baby to come out. And yes, I can't wait for him to experience this luxury. Parang spoiled. He's a spoiled baby. Because, you know, he's my first baby. But it's my second. I have a stepdaughter. But yeah, this is the first one. The baby boy. Look at my tummy. So I am 37, 30, I'm turning 37 weeks. So yan. So malapit na kasi 37 weeks is the baby is ready for ano na, labor. So yan. So that's why I do this tour, guys. So hope you enjoy the tour and hope you get some ideas. So if you have suggestion, just comment down below, because I think all my vlogs is more on babies now, because since having my maternity leave, so I have more time at home at saka makakapag-vlog or whatever. It depends. So pag hindi si baby, so I still have time to vlog or whatever. So yeah, like a day in my life. I hope you enjoy my room nursery tour, guys, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell so you can update for my next vlog. So see ya next time, guys. Bye.